Welcome, young friends, for the National Youth Parliament 2020 being organized online in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Youth Parliament is being organized by Public Concern for Governance Trust, PCGT, in association with Praveen Gandhi Law College, Villeparle. It is being held on August 1st and 2nd. PCGT, which was formed about 18 years back, has trustees who have vast experience in public service and who had distinguished service, and they supervise all the programs of the PCGT. One of the major programs of the PCGT is Youth for Governance, YFG, where the youth, especially college youth, are encouraged to take active part in governance issues and work for curbing corruption and develop leadership qualities and be a good citizen of the country. Organizing Youth Parliament is one of those initiatives to develop leadership qualities among the youth. This year, National Youth Parliament will be discussing the important issues, three important issues. One is agrarian distress in Maharashtra. Second is review of Indian environmental laws. And the third is the effectiveness of IBC, that is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. These issues will be researched in depth by the participants, and they will be discussed in the Parliament, Youth Parliament, and they will come up with their suggestions to improve the state of affairs. Thus, you will see that Youth Parliament gives an opportunity to the students to study these issues in depth and also study the processes followed in lawmaking in the country, which will help them in understanding the governance issues much better. So please do join in good number and take the benefit of the program. Stay safe, stay home.